Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Uba Alexander Elhek ubalong menteri ubapet jikatanat kakot kekia jong kesorkar jela hakalai puwei trik ubana jemang arajar arpuwei ula pelipat ba ya ke Shillong COVID-19 Hospital kabadan Haum Sauli New Shillong Township na kabenta ban sumar ye ki breu ki baliabit ye ke jingpang COVID-19 hadin bakani ke jingpang kalalen shop ting hagani ke jela Meghalaya ha kasin kabaar haga jingpli ye ke hospital ban sumar ye ki breu ki biabit ye ke jingpang COVID-19 la sakilang ru ke commissioner and secretary jong ketanat ke kot ke khia ke kong Merlin Nelly Nampui nang tadi director of health services MI Dr Amanwar lem bat ki wei pat ki doctor bat ki officer ne ketanat ke kot ke khia.
I take this privilege to inaugurate this COVID step down hospital for Shillong Civil Hospital for the people who get infected with positive. Congratulations to all who are involved here, who have done all the good job to make this happen. Congratulations. In this step-down COVID hospital of the Shillong Civil Hospital, it is inaugurated today to keep here for the A, B and C positive cases. This will less the burden of the hospital, both the government hospital and also the private hospital. So definitely will be ease the burden of all other hospitals. At least some admission will taking from today onward. Today we have inaugurated 50 beds, 25 for male, 25 for females. So within a week, maybe we will be ready for another 50 beds. Good for 50 for male, 50 for females. So total COVID step down COVID hospital will be 100 beds here.